So think of Ecovative, for example, with their mycelial packaging and the mycelial foams that they're working on. Those are factories, right? They're factories that happen to be growing things, but they look and feel like quite traditional manufacturing contexts.
Yeah.
They're pushing it one step beyond that. But then I think there's another step beyond that, which is to say that I can imagine factories that are rather more like robotics plants that make cars, for example, now. But rather than making cars, what they're doing is influencing biological systems, these programmable fabrication systems. I do see that being quite centralized. I see that being part of the existing kind of environment. The ultimate expression may be this kind of radical vernacular view, which is essentially then we have these biological assembly systems that can be used by individuals in their own gardens or their own plots of land or whatever. I think that's an interesting possibility. I don't see the route to that quite as clearly. I mean, Biodesign has a DIY bio community working in this area, of course. So there is that kind of the car garage kind of do-it-yourself kitchen kind of mentality going on. In synthetic biology, there's been a bit of that with the DIY bio community and the sharing of lab resources and equipment and those sorts of things. I think we're a long way from that. For me, I still think that I see the route towards these kind of materials being at least starting with something that looks a little bit more like the world as it looks today and incremental changes in that direction.